special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of eastern Osceola County through 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 8 miles south of Lake Kissimmee, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Additional strong storms are moving east to northeast into Osceola County this evening. Hazard: winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Lake Kissimmee, Lake Marion, Holapa, Kenansville, and Harmony. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southeastern Polk County through 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 8 miles south of Lake Kissimmee, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include River Ranch and Indian Lake Estates. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. This hazardous weather outlook is for East Central Florida. Day 1, tonight. Thunderstorm impact. Isolated lightning storms are forecast during the late afternoon and early evening across parts of East Central Florida. Initial development of a few storms is expected to occur over the interior south of Orlando between 5 p.m. and sunset, as the east and west coast sea breezes collide. Any storms which form will then move northeast at around 15 miles per hour back across the coastal counties between Flagler Beach and Vero Beach during through early evening, before pushing offshore and weakening. Today's storm threats will be cloud to ground lightning strikes, gusty winds to around 40 to 50 miles per hour, and torrential downpours between 1 and 3 inches in a 60 to 90 minute period, which may cause ponding in urban and other poorly drained and low-lying areas. Move indoors to safety if skies look threatening, or if you hear thunder. Dense fog and smoke impact. Patchy will be possible late tonight into Saturday morning, mainly west of Interstate 95, and may become dense at times. Visibility could drop to less than 1 mile in some areas. Rip current impact. A moderate risk of dangerous rip currents continues at the central Florida Atlantic beaches today. If caught on the seaward pole of a rip current, remain calm and don't panic. Signal to shore if possible. To escape the current, don't attempt to swim directly against the current toward shore. Instead, swim parallel to shore until you feel the seaward pole weaken, then swim at an angle toward shore, away from the current. Marine thunderstorm gust impact. A few wind gusts in excess of 35 knots will be possible over inland lakes this afternoon, with any storms then moving into the intracoastal waterway and nearshore Atlantic waters of Volusia and Brevard counties this evening. Days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday. The rip current threat will remain moderate through at least this weekend. Scattered showers and a few lightning storms are forecast across the area Saturday afternoon, and near Lake Okeechobee and the Treasure Coast Sunday afternoon. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed tonight. Gulf Stream hazards. None. The approximate location of the west wall of the Gulf Stream based on the real-time ocean forecast system as of Thursday, March 17th. 42 nautical miles east of Ponce Inlet, 29 nautical miles east of Port Canaveral, 23 nautical miles east of Sebastian Inlet, 12 nautical miles east of Fort Pierce Inlet, 9 nautical miles east of St. Lucie Inlet. Serving Orlando and vicinity, this is NOAA weather radio station KIH63, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. A required weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected, this test will be postponed until the following day. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIH63 Orlando, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 MHz and serving the following counties: Orange, Lake, Osceola, Seminole, Polk, Brevard, and Volusia. Severe weather watches, warnings, and advisories for these counties and the marine area are preceded by alarm tones which activate specially built receivers. During severe weather, the routine broadcast is suspended in order to broadcast severe weather information. Broadcasts will be interrupted for immediate transmission of severe weather information as soon as it is issued. At all other times, station KIH63 will broadcast weather information in a cycle of selected products relevant to the station's broadcast coverage area. This broadcast will normally include the following products when available: the hazardous weather outlook for East Central Florida, public forecast from the short term out to 5 days, hourly weather conditions and marine reports for selected locations in and around the broadcast area, marine forecasts out to 5 days for the intracoastal and coastal waters of the East Central Florida coast from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 60 nautical miles, as well as the west wall and hazards for the Gulf Stream. Daily climate information is broadcast from 5 a.m. until 8 a.m., and again from 5 p.m. until 8 p.m. Civil emergency and public safety information are broadcast as it is received from local, state, and other federal agencies. If you have any questions about NOAA Weather Radio broadcasts or comments regarding our services, our mailing address is National Weather Service, 421 Croton Road, Melbourne, Florida, 32935. Our telephone number is 321-255-0212. And our website address is weather.gov/Melbourne. The current time is 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.